back to another video from the Decatur Township Technology Department. Today's video is about teachers making authentic videos of themselves for e-learning days and digital lessons. We feel like a video from YouTube or Khan Academy is perfectly okay, very engaging, but a video of the teacher themselves teaching a short lesson for a digital lesson or an e-learning day is way more beneficial. So if you're wondering how can I do a video and get it on Canvas for my kids to see, you really have choices. If you have a MacBook, you could use the MacBook in QuickTime to record yourself, or like a program like Screencastify to record everything that's on your screen. But using the iPad is a great tool because it has the built-in camera, and it also has a feature that's pretty new called Screen Recorder, which is what I'm using right now to record everything that's on my iPad screen along with my voice. So if you're a teacher who really doesn't want to be on camera, you can screen record your iPad and teach a lesson or a skill. So if you, for example, if you were teaching a math skill, you could work out some problems and go over the steps with the kids and talk through your steps as you wrote them on the screen. You could use different colors, different programs, different apps for this, but this is the Show Me app if you were doing math, for instance, or if you were marking and coding an article or highlighting text, any of that you could do on your screen, you could lead them through with the screen recorder option. The screen recorder option, if you want to try it, is you pull down from the top right, and it's this little bullseye looking thing, and if you hold it down, it'll turn your microphone on. If you don't see the bullseye, then you go into your settings, go down to Control Center, Customize, and it will be in this list, and you hit the plus sign and it puts it up there, which puts it in here, your Control Center, when you pull down from the top right. When you're done screen recording, it automatically goes into your photo library, so it's really easy to upload into Canvas because you can use the Canvas Teacher app and you can go to the course that you want to upload the video into. Go to Files, hit the little plus sign, add a file, and then it says choose from library, and you can pull your video straight from your photo library and then put it on there. Why would you use a video? I mean, one, you could use it for yourself explaining directions or the lesson for the day, or two, a video of you just teaching the skill like you do every day in class. If you don't want to use the screen recorder option, you can just set your iPad up on a desk, use the iPad camera, and record yourself at the board, or working through whatever it is, whatever skill you need to teach that day. Same thing, it goes into your photo library and you can upload it using the Teacher Canvas app. So really easy way for you to communicate with your kids on these digital lessons for e-learning day. For using the iPad screen recorder or the iPad camera. Thank you.